Introducing the ultimate hatchback, the petrol manual with all the bells and whistles you could ever want. Stay comfortable and connected with air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, and MP3 connection. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, look stylish with chrome accents and a spoiler. Interior features like cup holders and luxury trim add a touch of class. And don't forget about the smart card entry and lane departure warning for added convenience. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, this vehicle is ready for the road. Don't miss out. Call us or visit our website at windsor.ie for more information today.